Welcome to Teaching Online Essentials. I'm your instructor, Karen Young. We're going to take a moment and review the email that you have received, as well as the modules that are in Canvas, so that you can get a brief overview of the course that you'll be completing in the next week. As you see on the screen, this is the email you have received. You are currently watching the video overview of the course. If you click on the next video, you can watch the Canvas overview. Canvas is the learning management system that we will be using to access the asynchronous modules as well as to submit assignments. Well, this next week you will receive a lot of instruction and information. Please know that the modules will be available for you for the next 30 days. This course is also pass, not pass, so there are no worries about submitting assignments and receiving grades. We're simply looking that you're submitting the assignments so that we can provide you feedback and so that we can provide you a certificate of completion. There were two pre-work activities that we ask you to complete in this email. The first one is to log into Canvas. There are directions attached to this email that provide you step-by-step instructions on how to log into Canvas. It's important that you attempt to do this prior to our first meeting. The reason for this is, at the end of our first live meeting together on Monday, we will go ahead and we will talk about helping those students who were unable to access Canvas. So we make sure before the end of our live session on Monday, everybody is able to access Canvas. Your second pre-work item is to read through the VARK and to take the VARK assessment. You'll learn more about what is VARK and the Learning Preference Questionnaire by clicking on these links. Finally, you're going to log into information for our session on Monday by the Zoom link listed below. If for some reason you cannot access by clicking on the link, please go to zoom.us, click on Join Meeting, and input the meeting ID. It's important to note that for this course, you will have two live sessions. You will have one live session on Monday from 9:30 to 11 a.m. and one session on Friday from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. The rest of the sessions are asynchronous or completed on your own through Canvas. Attached to this email, you also have the Day 1 agenda, which will talk you through exactly what we'll be covering on our first live session together, directions for logging into Canvas, and Teaching Online Essentials syllabus. Let's go ahead and look at the syllabus together. On the syllabus, you have my email. And as you page through the syllabus, you'll find an overview of what the course is, as well as a breakdown of each module. The first module will be completing synchronously together on Monday from, again, 9:30 to 11. Module 2 will be asynchronous. You'll complete this on your own on Tuesday, and you're going to create a lesson plan. On Wednesday, you're going to complete Module 3 on your own, and you're going to create an assessment as well as 3 discussion board questions that are going to connect to the lesson plan you've created. Module 4 is Thursday, where you're going to integrate effective strategies into your lesson plan. And finally, on Friday, we'll meet again live from 9:30 to 10:30, and you'll be, after our session, creating a Flipgrid presentation of the lesson plan that you have created throughout this course. Briefly, I'm going to take you into Canvas to kind of look at the modules and how it's set up. I want to prepare you, though, we will do a deep dive into this on Monday and make sure that all of you leave with a clear understanding of what this course is going to look like and how you will work through the different modules on Monday together. So again, if you click on module, all of these modules are set up for you and match directly to the syllabus. If you click on module overview, you'll see information about what you'll complete in the module, and by clicking the next button, you'll be able to walk through the different information that's posted in the module. Each module is set up to have something for you to read in the beginning, videos that support the reading, and then an explanation of the assignment for that particular module. Again, Module 1 is our synchronous session together on Monday. Module 2, 3, and 4 will be asynchronous. You'll be working on those on your own on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And Module 5 will come together on Friday from 9:30 to 10:30, review and highlight the best practices that you've learned throughout these different modules, and then you will leave the session and post a Flipgrid presentation of the lesson that you have developed over the course. We will have some discussion posts that we'll post to throughout the course to have some interaction when you are working offline, meaning asynchronous, and we are not collaborating together through Zoom. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'm happy to set up one-on-one meeting times with you if that's needed. And as you post assignments, I will provide you feedback, supporting best practices and how I can help you as you develop your lessons to become online best practices. Thank you for taking the time to overview this course. Again, this was just a short overview of what we'll be discussing for the next week. And I promise on Monday when we meet together live, we'll do a deep dive into these. Each day that you're working asynchronously or on your own, I will send in the morning a video that gives a short overview of the expectations for that day to make sure that you have the support and the guidance as you work through this course.